Hello people, are you having cravings for pizza and you don't have an oven in your house, or you don't have strength to make pizza dough? Don't worry, I've got you on this. This pizza recipe does not require any pizza dough, nor does it need an oven, and yet we have a yummy pizza and it is just made in less than 20 minutes. Meanwhile, before we go ahead, just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Grace and I make recipes you find very interesting. Thank you for subscribing. For this recipe, we'll start by heating up our oil in the pan to make our pizza sauce. I'll be adding my garlic and ginger paste. I will be frying this for a few seconds. I'll be adding in my fresh tomato paste, and this is a combination of fresh tomatoes, onion, and I added 1 scotch bonnet to it. I'll be frying this for another few seconds. I'll be adding in tomato paste to this, and I'm going to stir this till everything is combined. To season these, I'll be using oregano and seasoning powder and salt. So I'm just going to stir everything together. I've been frying this for 3 minutes now, so I'm going to be adding little water to loosen up the paste. So I'll be adding this water bit by bit. I would like to have a stew. This is just our tomato sauce for our pizza. So this quantity of water is enough. I'm going to allow this to just simmer a bit and we are good to go. To prepare the base for the pizza, I will need a non-stick pan and I will be adding tortilla wrap on the pan. This tortilla wrap is going to act as our base for this pizza. I'll be adding in cheese and I'll add another tortilla wrap. The cheese is going to just act as a bind for all the tortilla wraps we are going to be adding. Depending on how thick you want your pizza base to be, you can add more tortilla wraps to yours, but the 3 is just okay for the size of the base I want. So I'll adding in the pizza sauce that we made, and the pizza sauce have already cooked, so we'll be applying pizza sauce on top of our tortilla wraps. I'll be adding minced chicken to this, and how I prepare this minced chicken, I seasoned chicken breast, I grilled it, and after that I put inside the food processor and minced it this way. I'll be adding in my sausages, and I've also grated it too. So the African in me won't want anything raw, since we won't be putting it in the oven. I'll be adding in peas. At this point, you can just go ahead to add in your favorite pizza topping. I'll be adding in my shredded carrots too. I'll be adding in green pepper. I'll finish this up by adding grated cheese. I prefer adding the cheese at the last so that it can just bind in all the toppings together. You won't like to be eating your pizza and your toppings will be flying out. I'll be covering this now, and this tiny hole that most of this transparent cover has, I'll be covering this up so that the heat can actually go around before I proceed now to put this on fire. This has been on fire for 10 minutes now on a very low heat. See, our pizza is ready. The cheese are all melted into these tortilla wraps and this looks so nice. It comes out so easy from the non-stick pan. And see how lovely this looks. I'm just going to cut it through and test it on your behalf. Just take a look at this yummy goodness. This is so good. Just tell me why you would like this. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe this before you go recreating this. Please, just a disclaimer, this is very addictive. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.